everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. So recently I posted a video of me making banana bread. And I had no idea that everybody else was making banana bread too. Everyone has the same idea, I guess, during this quarantine. I just had some really ripe bananas and I love banana bread. So that's why I did it. But it got me thinking, what other treats can I share with you guys that are easy to make and tasty, and you can probably make them with stuff you have at home right now during quarantine? And instantly a light bulb went off in my head. Mug cakes. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's very self-explanatory. It's just a cake in a coffee mug. It's super easy, super fast. You don't have to be an expert baker. I mean, this is literally just going in the microwave, so you got this. I again found this recipe online. I'm making a little adjustments to it, making it more my own, so I'll let you know what I do, but I will link the recipe down below in the description box so you guys can look it up and see what it says. So let's go and make some cake in a mug. Yay. What you're going to need for this today is, of course, a mug. My mug is quite large. Probably, yeah, it's as big as a Bath & Body Works candle. This is my absolute favorite mug to make stuff in the microwave with because it's so big. I know I got this in high school. I forget who I got this from, but I absolutely love it so much. And I still love it to this day. So you're gonna need a mug. Now the actual food ingredients: 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 tablespoon water, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The differences in my recipe that I'm gonna be putting together, I'm not gonna be putting in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. When we first did that, it was so rich. If you really like rich chocolatey cake, then you're gonna love it. Do 2 tablespoons, do it. But if you don't want it like that, I would say scale it down. I'm probably just gonna put like a little sprinkle in there. I want it mostly vanilla with a little taste of chocolate. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And then for milk, we have almond milk instead of regular milk. I think I'm gonna be using olive oil instead of the canola oil. Otherwise, everything is the same. So let's get making this. You mix the flour and the sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking soda, and the salt into the mug. Then you stir in the milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. Another thing I'm gonna add into this, I got some butterscotch chips and I'm gonna add them in after I've mixed everything else together. The only problem with the chips I've realized is they tend to sink to the bottom. So you're like eating it and then you realize, where's my chips? Oh, it's just a bunch of butterscotch soup at the bottom. But I don't really mind it. I think it's still delicious. So that's what I'm gonna do. You can add sprinkles, you can add any kinds of chocolate chips, you can add nuts, whatever you want to make this your own, go ahead and do it. Then it says to cook in microwave until cake is done in the middle, about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Alrighty, it's all done. Didn't take too long at all, and it looks kind of gross because it's not all the way chocolate, but it's not all the way vanilla, so it's like this weird caramelish color, but not even caramel. Anyways, it doesn't matter what it looks like, it matters what it tastes like. And I know this tastes good, but doing a little taste test here. Something about this, it's very moist, and I'm sorry if you hate that word, but it is. Oh, it's really hot. The butterscotch chips really add so much to it. So good. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up so you can actually see what it looks like. All right, there it is. See the little butterscotch right there? Remember, always feel free to change up the recipe how you want it to be, or accustomed to what ingredients you have at home. Just like I used almond milk and I used pink salt, olive oil. I used just a little bit of cocoa and more vanilla. So you can really experiment with it and see what you like best and work with what you've got at home. But this is the perfect, quick, easy thing. If you have kids at home, this would be fun to do and simple to do. And if you're just a person who loves sweets. but doesn't want to take a bunch of time to make some. Also, you can top it off with icing, with more sprinkles. I could put some more butterscotch chips on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you make it or if you've ever made a mug cake before. I know there's a lot of different recipes out there, but like I said, the one I used, well, before I changed some stuff, it will be linked down in the description box below. I hope you guys are staying healthy and as happy as you can be during this time. I know everybody's in different situations and everybody has up and down days, so I'm sending my love out to all of you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow my social media accounts there at the beginning of this video in the description box below, or everything is at It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.